Hi viewers, with the development of AI technology, it's much easier to bring old photos to life and bring back our precious memories again. In this video, I will introduce some easy ways to do this in seconds. Let's get started. Step 1. Colorize old photos. Here I have found two old black and white photos for example. They all have a history and the resolution is pretty low. So we need to colorize them for better result. I am using HitPaw FotorPea for the restoration. Open the photo restoration and import the photo. Here are multiples AI models for you. I think the is the best choice. Let's generate. After that, the old photo is colorized and all the details are improved to a better level. Even the mole on the face is well kept. Next, export the photos. Here is a quick tip. Go to Image Enhancer. The AI will automatically choose appropriate models for you and help you add more details to the photos. Let's look at the comparison. Look at the amazing improvement of the details, including the clothes and the skin. Step 2. Old photo to video. Now that we have high-quality photos, it's time to animate them with the help of AI. Here are some tools to use. The first one is My Heritage Deep Nostalgia. We can simply drag and drop the photo into the page, and it will start the process. When it's completed, here is the final result. One thing to mention is that Deep Nostalgia's effect is not that ideal. It can only animate the head part of the image, and when the person is not facing the camera, there will be some weird stretches like this. So personally, I would use the other two tools, which I am about to show you. HitPaw AI can do well in animating photos. What we want to do is import the photo here. Next, you can use prompt to guide the AI to generate the video you want it to be. Like a couple smile happily and look at each other in this case. Then proceed to generate. After that, we can have this natural and fluent video. Can you imagine that it was once black and white photo? Now it's brought to life. Another option is using AI Marvels on your mobile device. It works for both Android and iOS devices. There is a live photo feature. Tap it and select your photo. Similar with HitPaw AI. You can then enter your prompt. Or tap Generate and let AI play the magic. There it is. The image is moving naturally, and you can feel the wind blowing the girl's hair. Very cool effects. You can then save it on your device or share it with your friends. Alright, that's how to bring old photos to life using AI. Hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.